Hello children, welcome back to this video session of maths. Now we are going to solve exercise 3.8. In this exercise we discuss about the coordinates of the points on the axis in the graph. Let us get into the session.
Look at this exercise 3.8 introduction. Graph. Graphing is just a visual method for showing relationship between numbers. The horizontal line is named as x dash, called the x-axis. The horizontal line is the horizontal line named as x dash, called the x-axis. This is the x-axis, and the vertical line is named as y dash. This is the vertical line named as y dash. Y dash, called y-axis. Horizontal line, that is x-axis. Vertical line, that is the standing line. Vertical means standing line. It is called y-axis. Both the axes called the coordinate axis. Both the axes called coordinate axis. It is also habitual to name the x coordinate as abscissa. Points of the x-axis, that is called abscissa, and the y coordinates as ordinate. Y coordinate as ordinate, abscissa, ordinate, and x comma y is an ordered pair. In this ordered pair, this is abscissa and this is ordinate. The plane containing the x-axis and the y-axis is known as the coordinate plane or Cartesian plane. Plane containing the x-axis and y-axis is known as the coordinate plane or Cartesian plane. This is the coordinate plane or Cartesian plane. The intersecting point of the perpendicular line O represents the origin. Intersecting means to cut. So, it is cut the line x-axis, that is intersecting point of the perpendicular line. Perpendicular line O represents the origin. This is origin. Origin means that point is 0, 0. And then x-axis. The x-axis right of the O, that is positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. These are the positive integers. And then left of the O, that is negative integers, that is -1, -2, -3, etc. So, x axis right of the origin, that is positive, left of the origin means negative. Like that, y also, y axis upward, it is positive, and downward of the origin negative. And then quadrants. There are 4 quadrants here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is anti-clockwise. Clockwise means this line. It is anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. First quadrant, both are in positive sign. Here also positive and here also positive. So, plus first quadrant. Second quadrant, here this side of x-axis is negative. So, x-axis negative and y-axis is positive. And then third quadrant, both are in negative sign. Here also negative and here also negative. So, negative, negative. and then fourth quadrant positive and negative. Here x axis is positive and y axis is negative. Listen here, plus plus first quadrant, plus minus second quadrant, minus minus third quadrant, plus minus fourth quadrant. Here easily we can remember this, plus plus first quadrant, plus minus fourth quadrant. Both are plus in x axis, that is first and fourth. Plus plus first quadrant, plus minus fourth quadrant. Minus minus third quadrant, minus plus fourth second quadrant. Minus minus third quadrant, minus plus second quadrant. So keep in your mind. Let me start exercise sum. First question, fill in the blanks. X axis and y axis intersect at which line? X axis, this is x axis, intersect at origin, this is origin, so origin is the answer. The coordinates of the point in third quadrant are always dash. Coordinates means x value in the point x. So third quadrant which one? 1, 2, 3. Here 3 is minus comma minus. So coordinate means x axis, that is always negative. 0 comma minus 5 point lies on dash axis. This is x axis, this y axis. X axis 0 means that is y axis. Listen, 0 comma minus 5. 0 comma minus 5 here. So it is lie on the y axis. So y axis. The coordinate is always, x coordinates is always dash on the y axis. X coordinate is always dash on the y axis. That means the point lies on the y axis means what is x? That is 0. The dash coordinates are the same for a line parallel to y axis. Dash coordinates are the same for a line parallel to y axis. That is parallel to y axis. Which one? We point out a number means that is parallel to y axis. Which coordinates? That is x coordinate. And then next, second one, say true or false. First one, minus 10 comma 20 lies in the second quadrant. Minus 10. So x axis is minus. So second quadrant minus. And third y axis, that is plus 20. Is it right? It's minus comma plus. It is second quadrant. Yes, true. Minus 9 comma 0 lies on the x axis. X axis 0 means that is lies on the y axis. Here y axis is 0, so that is lie on the x axis. Yes, that is also true. Next one, the coordinates of the origin are 1 comma 1. Coordinates of the origin is what? 0 comma 0, but they given 1 comma 1, so that is false statement. Third question, find the quadrant without plotting the points on a graph sheet. without plotting the points on a graph sheet. So we have to remember the quadrant and their sign. Then you find out the which quadrant is this. Listen, I already told you plus plus first quadrant, plus minus fourth quadrant, minus minus third quadrant, minus plus second quadrant. Remember this one and write down the answer. Here 3 comma minus 4. 3 is in positive, so plus comma minus. Plus minus fourth quadrant. 5 comma 7, both are in positive, so plus plus first quadrant. 2 comma 0, here y axis is 0, that means it is in x axis, it lies on x axis. Minus 3 minus 5, minus minus third quadrant. 4 comma minus 3, 4 is in positive, so plus comma minus, plus minus fourth quadrant. Next one, minus 7 comma plus 2, minus plus, minus plus second quadrant. And next one, minus 8 comma 0. Here 0 is there. Which one? Y axis. So it lies on x axis. Y axis 0 means it lies on x axis. Next one, 0 comma 10. X axis 0 here. So that lies on y axis. And minus 9 comma 50, minus 9 plus 50, minus plus, which quadrant is this? Second quadrant. Fourth one, plot the following points in a graph sheet. Listen, first A 5 comma 2. You have to draw the horizontal line and vertical line in a graph sheet named what? X, O, X dash and Y, O, Y dash. And write the numbers, positive numbers in right side, that is OX, and OX dash is negative numbers, and here upside positive and downwards negative. So it is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. We know that very well. First A 5 comma 2. Both are positive sign. So x axis is 5 and y axis is 2. Here x axis 5, whereas y axis here plus 2. So 5, 2. So this point is meeting 5 comma 2. That is 5 comma 2. And then next one, B minus 7 comma minus 3. Both are negative sign, so it is in third quadrant. X axis is 7 and y axis is minus 3. Here 7, here 7 and minus 3 here. So meeting this point, that is minus 7 comma minus 3. And then C minus 2 comma 4. Minus 2, x axis minus 2, y axis plus. So which quadrant is this? second quadrant, minus comma plus. So minus 2 here and here plus 4, minus 2 and plus 4, this point, that is C, minus 2 comma 4. This is A and B, C. And D, minus 1 comma minus 1, both are in minus sign, so that is which quadrant? Third quadrant, minus 1, minus 1, that is D, minus 1, minus 1. And then E, 0 comma minus 5. Listen, x-axis is 0, that is lies on y-axis. So y-axis minus 5, so y dash. Here 0 comma minus 5. That is E, 0 comma minus 5. Next one, F, 2 comma 0. Here y-axis is 0, so that lies on x-axis, plus 2, so that is here F, 2 comma 0. And then G, 7 comma minus 4, plus 7 minus 4, so that is it is in fourth quadrant, plus 7 x-axis, y-axis minus 4. So meeting this point, that is G, 7 comma minus 4. And then H, minus 4 comma 0. Here y-axis is 0, that lies on x-axis. So minus 4 means this side. H, minus 4 comma 0. And then I, 2 comma 3. Both are positive sign. It is in first quadrant. So 2, here 3. So this point is I, 2 comma 3. And then J, 8 comma minus 4, plus 8 minus, plus comma minus, that is which quadrant is this? Fourth quadrant, that is 8 minus 4. So 8 this is, and here minus 4. So this point is J, my 8 comma minus 4. And then K, 0 comma 7. X-axis is 0, that lies on y-axis. So plus 7 means upwards. This is K, that is 0 comma 7. So that's all. The sum. Fifth one, use the graph to determine the coordinates where each figure is located. Here they given a graph with the figure located here. We want to find out where it is located. Okay, listen. First one, star. Star is located here. X-axis is 3 and y-axis is 1, 2. So that is 2, 3 comma 2. Next, bird. Bird is here. X-axis is, it is lies on the x-axis. So y-axis is 0. What is x-axis here? Minus 1, minus 2. So x-axis is minus 2, y-axis is 0. Red circle. Here it is located in x-axis is minus 2, y-axis is minus 2. So minus 2 comma minus 2. And then diamond. Here diamond. X-axis is what? Minus 2 and y-axis is plus 2. Write down minus 2 plus 2. Red circle is minus 2 comma minus 2. So diamond is minus 2 comma plus 2. And then triangle. Triangle is located here. X-axis also minus 1, y-axis also minus 1. So minus 1 comma minus 1. Minus 1 comma minus 1. Ant is located here. X-axis is 3 and y-axis is minus 1. So 3 comma minus 1. And then mango. Mango is located on the y-axis. So x-axis is 0. Y-axis is which number is here? Plus 2. So 0 comma 2. And then housefly. Housefly is located on the x-axis. So y-axis is 0. X-axis number is 2. So 2 comma 0. Medal. Here the medal. It is located in which quadrant is this? First, second. Second means minus comma plus. So here x-axis is minus 3 and y-axis is plus 3. Minus comma plus, right? So minus 3 comma 3. And then last one, spider. Spider is located on y-axis. So x-axis is 0. Y-axis number is minus 1, minus 2. Here exercise 3.8 is over. So children, practice well with the concept of graph. I will see you again in